I'll guide you through how to sell on Redbubble. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by visiting the Redbubble website. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, sign up with your email and create a profile. Once you're in, click on your profile icon and select Sell Your Art. You'll be taken to a dashboard where you need to complete 3 main steps. First, create products by clicking Add New Work. You can choose to upload a brand new design or duplicate an existing one. Upload your artwork, give it a catchy title, add relevant tags, and write a short description about your piece. Redbubble will automatically show previews of your design on various products like shirts, hat, and stickers. Adjust image placement, select product availability, and agree to the user agreement. Then click Save Work. Next, go to Set Up Shop. Upload your profile picture, cover image, add your bio, and link your social media. This helps buyers connect with your brand. Finally, go to Get Paid, enter your full name, address, select your preferred currency, and add your phone number. Hit Save Changes. Your shop is now ready, and you can start selling your art to a global market.